Welcome to Nurtech Solution. Today I'm gonna show you how you can convert a PDF file to Word documents. Okay, it's really simple and very easy. Okay, so if you follow just my process, and you can see it's just within 2 minutes you can learn everything. Okay, suppose what you need to do, first of all you need to go to open your Microsoft Word. If you don't have that, just buy it, the Word document, or you can get from online as well. So just open the Word document. Then if you go in the left hand side, you can see if you come bit down, it said open. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to open a PDF file. I already have the PDF file in my computer. So then where I need to go, I need to go to on my Mac. Okay, I need to open the on my Mac. When I click the open my Mac, it said popping up on box, it said desktop. So my document I already put in the desktop, PDF making. Okay, so just I gonna click that on, then open it. Okay, so you can see open button in here, just open. So now you can see is Word is converting. That means PDF already converted to Word. Okay, so how simple is it? Okay, it's really simple. Just what you need to do, you need to just follow the process. Okay, so now you can see I gonna put side by side. That's how you can understand what happened. So it's like just a second matter and it's already converted to Word. Okay, so if you see carefully, have a look, this is the third page, this is the third page of like the PDF. So I'm gonna reorganize bit, so that's how you can get like the very good understanding. So just I'm gonna need to page bit more clear for you. Yeah, so now you can see everything is whatever it was before in PDF, now it has been converted to Word. Suppose you can see here, if I go to up, you say it's nurtechsolution, is nurtechsolution here. Okay, so it's nothing difference. So you can now write down whatever you want on the left hand side like your Word document, but you know, like PDF you can't do anything, like any modification, nothing you can do. Okay, so this is the mainly way to make the one of the PDF file to convert to Word. So now when you converted the file, you need to do the follow the process. You need to go to file, then you need to go to save as, because you have to save that file. So you need to go to save as. When you click the save as, it said save as PDF making. So what I need to do, I'm gonna write down something different, PDF to Word. Okay, so I'm gonna put the new name something. Okay, then if you come bit down, you can see where is that. So I'm gonna put in the desktop, then it said file format. This is the main things you need to do. Set file format, is set Word document. So you need to select Word document, then save. So when you save it, it's already saved to your desktop, or if you want to save somewhere else, you can see this is my file of the Word, PDF to Word, and this is the file PDF making. This is the first file whatever it was in my computer. Okay, so then I converted that file to PDF Word. So now you can write down something, you can edit, delete, whatever you want. So this is the generally like the easiest and most useful process for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Bye bye.